You can do this meditation if you are in a long-distance relationship with your person, or to transcend any situation with your person where you perceive any kind of distance, separation, whether it's physical, mental, or emotional. Now get comfortable in your favorite meditation position. Let your day go as you relax. Let all your troubles flow away like water. This is your time to go within, your time to feel your beautiful connection with this person, regardless of any distance. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. In your mind's eye, see and feel a golden ball of light emanating from your heart center. Allow a feeling of love to move through you as this golden ball of light softly and gently expands and fills your chest. Feel this love with each breath in and out. In and out. Out loud or in your mind, repeat these affirmations after me. I am love. I am lovable. I am loved. I am love. I am lovable. I am loved. I am deserving and worthy of wonderful love. I am deserving and worthy of wonderful love. I bring so many amazing qualities to my relationships. I bring so many amazing qualities to my relationships. Feel and see this light in your chest, glowing with pure beauty, radiance, and love. This light energy now radiates out in a line in front of you. You see it go out into the distance. Breathing in and breathing out. You now feel this energy stop moving forward. You know that this energy has reached and connected with your person. This gold light from your heart has connected to theirs. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel yourself connected to your person. heart to heart. Feel the love between you. You are connected. Your energy has reached them. This bond is undeniable, unbreakable. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sink deeper into this beautiful connection between the two of you. As you continue breathing in and out, you feel the line of energy between you start to pull slightly. You are being drawn to each other. This beautiful golden light is drawing you both closer like magnets. Breathe in. Breathe out. See your person come into view in the distance. There's no need for you to move. Your person is the one choosing to come to you and bridge any perceived distance. There's nothing for you to do but relax and allow. Repeat after me. I am worthy of my person being with me. I am worthy of my person being with me. It is so natural for us to come together. It is so natural for us to come together. My person is naturally drawn towards me. My person is naturally drawn towards me. I allow our beautiful connection. I allow our beautiful connection. See them walking closer to you, being gently pulled towards you. Breathe in. They are getting closer and closer. Breathe out. Closer and closer. Breathe in the naturalness of this connection. Breathe out. Feel the golden line of energy pulling you both closer. You can see their features now, their height, their hair, their eyes, their smile. Take a few moments to appreciate everything you love about this person. They are now only a few feet in front of you. Open your arms to receive them. They only want to be with you, holding you. You are their person. Embrace each other now. Feel them in your arms. Feel their warmth. Inhale their smell. Feel what it's like being held in their arms. Hear their breath. As you hold each other, the beautiful gold light of your connection, of your hearts, merges into one big ball of golden light. See it grow and envelop you both in a bubble of love. There is only connection. There is only togetherness. There is always the presence of one another. Any distance has been dissolved. and be fully present and immersed with your wonderful person. Relish this delicious, beautiful embrace. Breathe in and out. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathing out for 4. Repeat out loud or silently after me. I am safe and secure in our wonderful relationship. I am safe and secure in our wonderful relationship. This is the best relationship we have both ever had. This is the best relationship we have both ever had. We are fully together now. It is done. We are fully together now. It is done. Now, gently let the scene fade away, and as you do, hold on to the beautiful feelings you have by being with your person. Know that you are always connected. You are always together. Let that knowing and connection naturally draw you closer and closer in the 3D. It is done. Now I am slowly going to count you out of this meditation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.